that he wake up is the time that he should rise. It's never, never, never too late for a man to rest away. The time that he
Yes, I people. No time is ever late. No time is ever late to do that thing you want to do. So, I saw people that's a tune by the one them see the ranks. When tackle never too late. Yes, I saw the thing said people. This is today 95.1 FM. And you're listening to Reggae Milites with the one them called J Papa. I saw the thing said people. Yeah man, me have a brand new tune where they are here so. This is the first time the tune of bus pan Reggae Milites down here in the city of Port Harcourt. Yes people. Remember say me not just play anything. Me I play from the legend them. This is coming from Iyare Uwaifo. Iyare Uwaifo. Him are the son of the legendary Victor Uwaifo. Me gonna hear this one and title it Rain Falling. People, a brand new tune, so me gonna lick it up. Kaboom!
blood stains on me, watering from above.
Boom! Blow, 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 blow! Yeah man! J Papa Day also. Today 95.1 FM. I saw it said. Reggae vibes. Reggae vibes.